Welcome back to our Pratt Remodeled luxury townhome here down in Woodbury. This unit behind me is 20 years old. The homeowner wanted it refurbished from bottom to top. So I'm going to bring you through all of that, and so let's just move along here, and you'll see all the new updates we did. The person we're remodeling for had actually a couple professional interior designers help her through all the selections. So you'll be amazed. But first of all, we'll probably want to go backwards a little bit. We do have a video of the before. So you want to connect with that first, and then connect with this new video of the finished product. You're going to love it. So come on in. We didn't do anything to the exterior because we have to keep all the exteriors the same within these luxury Pratt townhomes. So come on in, and bring it right into the entry first. Come on in, and actually I've got Jake in the background here. We're going to talk to him in a minute, but first of all, we redid the floors in the entryway here. You can notice that it's all the wood floors. It used to be that golden oak, and so we changed that up. And before I see Jake kind of wandering over there, enjoying the views and the furniture. Hi, Jake.
How's it going?
Hey, but before I connect with you, Jake, I'd like to let's swing into this kind of the office den. In fact, it's got a pocket office in here, and you can see what we've done. We've repainted the walls, we've done the new white millwork, and as you can see behind me. And so with some new colors, the blues and the whites go together. And then, you know, to your right here, you'll see the pocket office. There's actually pocket doors on each side. A very unique design that's been done with Pratt Homes. The desk used to be a wood golden oak top and then golden cabinets. As you can see, we've got a Cambria top on there, and we painted the cabinets with new hardware. It's a great look. So come on over this way. Let's go over and talk to Jake, because Jake can bring us through the rest of it. And so I think he's still here. Here he is. Jake, how you doing?
Good.
So wow, the place looks great.
Yeah,
nice job coordinating and scheduling and getting this all done. So, well, maybe bring me through, like starting in here, like what happened to the ceiling, and tell me.
Right, yeah, and so in here we did some beams on the ceiling. We got all that laid out with the center beam and 3 coming down on each side. We pretty much refreshed the whole place from floor to ceiling. We did trim, built-ins, doors, walls, ceilings. We refinished the floors.
Yeah, I like the color. You know, it's kind of that kind of gray brown
Right,
goes with
it's
things.
aged barrels.
Yeah,
So
it looks like you used the same stain in the beams.
right, exactly. So match all that with the handrail and
Yeah, I
the
see
new
that.
post on the stairs.
Wow, and it looks like we reused the old dual post and just restained it.
That we did. And
Yeah.
along with these columns in the living room.
Yeah,
here,
how about the fireplace? What did we do over on the fireplace?
on the fireplace, we did a Cambria around the fireplace there.
I see that. Boy, is that nice.
And that matches the island, so it's a really nice touch. It's a solid surface, maintenance free.
Really? I guess it does. And we used a hearth for that.
Right.
We repainted the.
Yes.
Was this stained or was this painted before?
That was painted before, but we repainted it and we got that all.
And I noticed that the chase is a little different color than what the walls are.
Right,
That's
we
really a
like
nice touch.
accent there.
I
So.
see that. Same fireplace though.
Right, same fireplace, new surround on it, so it
Yeah.
really
Wow.
made it look a lot
Yeah,
better.
it's what a nice room. We got some new throw rugs down. And,
Right.
Well, I
Exactly.
love the beams though. That turned out, and the recessed lighting. Looks like you added quite a bit here.
Right, it really lightened up the place with the natural light, and this, you've really got the whole works.
LED, you know, that nice light. Wow, the kitchen. Tell us about the kitchen.
Yeah, so in the kitchen, it was a whole redo. From counters, cabinets, sinks, faucets, appliances, lights. We actually kept these lights. They kind of go with the scheme, as you will be able to tell. There's a lot of sparkly, glittery, crystally items here, which the homeowner really likes. And it,
I see that. What kind of top is this?
So this is a Cambria top.
Wow.
It's really sparkly too. I can see it's got some hints of that too, so it really incorporates kind of all the chrome too she's got with the hood and the appliances. But yeah, this is a Cambria. It's really nice. It's got a lot of
Super.
character to it.
How about the cabinets? Are these new cabinets?
Right, all new cabinets, Dura Supreme.
I see that. Wow, we got some lighting, some puck lighting up into to really show that off.
Yeah, so that helps. And then you got the glass in the uppers and the lights, and then all.
And then the cooktop, that looks new, and it's a kind of a recessed
Right, the
instead of
recess.
just a surface mount. That's a nice little touch.
Right.
A roof,
A lot of those.
nice appliance, and so tell me about that backsplash, boy. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, the tile guy had his work cut out for that. That was
I bet he
definitely
did.
a interesting one. It was all covered with some plastic to prevent the chrome bars that you see in the
I
middle.
see that. You know,
Scratching.
usually you see a lot of that subway tile, so that's a neat switch.
Right, it's definitely got some character to it, but everything here does, as you can see. So it all goes together. It
What
looks
about the sink?
awesome.
Is that sink new, or is it the same sink? I can't remember.
New
It's been such a
sink,
long time.
new sink. Yeah, this is a really nice undermount sink. It's a Blanco. It's like a ceramic type sink, so it really can withstand. It has a lot of durability, and it looks super good.
So does this make the faucet go up and down? I'm not sure.
No, that button there,
Telescope?
that's for the disposal. So instead of having to go down and flip a switch or go over somewhere and flip a switch, you got the button right there whenever you gotta dispose of something. So
Wow, this is warm. What's going on? Why is this so warm right in here?
So this
I
is-
need my coffee cup on this.
right. So there's a heating pad under this countertop piece here. Obviously not where the cabinetry is, but where the overhang is. There's a heating pad there, and that heats the surface on top. It goes through the Cambria and heats it.
Oh, cool. I think it might be built in, but
Right.
awesome. How about the doors? Were the doors already painted? I can't remember.
Yes, they were, and so all those got redone. They took all the doors off, repainted all those, filled any imperfections on them, and repainted all that to match the trim, the built-ins. So
Yeah.
that's all got the same scheme.
I see the
cabinets too, and it all.
Sure.
Those came pre-finished, but same type of color
I
tone.
love the hardware on the cabinets.
Yeah, no, so that's really nice. The shiny bars,
Yeah,
the shiny
we
chrome
got
bars.
some chrome going, so we got.
Right.
You don't have to do that nickel finish or that stainless steel. We can do more of a chrome look.
Right. Yeah, chrome definitely is a hot selection. A lot of people, more than you think.
Yeah. Wow. Looks like so we painted the island a different color than the perimeters.
Right, so it
I
gives
like
that,
that look.
gives that accent look. You don't have the same feel throughout the whole kitchen. You've got different tones that go with different items as well, so it all incorporates itself.
Wow. And then so the kitchen, fabulous. What else we got?
I was gonna say in the sunroom we did a little flooring detail here. It's a little different than we normally do. The homeowner wanted this, so we actually did a border around. And then here, it's kind of a herringbone style, not completely herringbone, but we did a little detail in here. And so this is a nice space that has its own character to it. So.
Yeah. Well, views. The views look beautiful out here.
Right.
It's a nice
All that.
backdrop. New fan. And then one thing I did notice, I don't remember, did they have these balances before? What's the story on that?
No, those valances are custom made by our carpenters. It's a 3-piece valance that goes together with some trim, and that actually matches the crown molding up top of the cabinets over there you can see, and it goes with everything.
Yeah, what a great way to
so
hide
those- yeah, those
the
really nice.
blinds, man. So they just tuck up underneath.
Right, so the blinds tuck right up underneath. Don't gotta worry about those getting as dirty as they normally would, but a little bit of cleaning
That's
still.
that's some craftsmanship going on. I know that if I ever do anything like that, it wouldn't even
Right,
be close.
super nice touch. It looks great.
Wow, the ceiling. Was the ceiling like this before? That's quite a different finish.
Yes, the ceiling was like this, so it's not a knockdown and it's not a popcorn. It's kind of in between, and so more towards the knockdown side. It's got that custom texture on it. So,
Okay, wow. Well, where do you want to go next?
well, why don't we go to the master bath?
Sure. And do we have to go through the master bedroom to get there?
We do. We take a look at that as well.
Yeah. Fabulous. Come on in. It's kind of neat. You got a little foyer area before you get into the master. So come on in. Here's the Say, Jake, before I roll into the cool part, the master bath, and just, wow. And now there's a fan. That's
Right.
quite a fan.
Yeah, that's a really nice fan. So I actually didn't know it was a fan at first. I thought it was a light fixture, but then the electrician surprised me by turning it on, and it
Yeah.
really cools down the space. As you can see too in the background, there's a lot of wallpaper.
I see that. So it's nice to see some wallpaper. Again.
Right,
I know it was on the way out.
Right.
And so this is nicely done.
Right. The
on it.
contemporary
And it-
wallpaper
yeah.
looks really nice.
And I think did you add wood flooring? I can't remember. I thought there was carpet in
There
here.
was carpet in here before, and so we added new wood flooring in here, matched it